Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your Salesforce edition and API version in Lightning. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding your Salesforce edition and API version in the Lightning Experience interface is important for administrators, developers, and users who need to understand and manage their Salesforce environment effectively, because each Salesforce edition, for example, if you're using the Enterprise, Professional, and Developer, comes with specific features and limitation. Obviously, knowing your edition helps you understand which features are available to you and which might require additional licenses or upgrades. Now, once you are here in this interface, I need you to switch over to the setup and go to the quick find and type in API. After that, it's under integrations. Click on it. Now, once you have found the API, I need you to click on the Enterprise WSDL. This is a strongly typed WSDL for customers who want to build an integration with their Salesforce organization. So this is how you can check the API version of your Salesforce edition. I want you to click on Generate Enterprise WSDL. Now, you see, if you do not have the level of access necessary to perform the operation you requested, you need to contact the owner of the record of your admin. For example, you're working with a client, your company, or your organization. That means you have insufficient privileges. As I said earlier, each Salesforce edition, Enterprise, Professional, Developer, comes with a specific features and limitations. And again, from this point, we can see that your edition has limitation and might require additional licenses or upgrades. All right, now for you to be able to check the API version of your Lightning, now the next option is go again to the home section and type in Apex classes. All right, because on the Apex classes, you need to tap on the version tab of your org's API version is the topmost value of the versions column drop down. If you can't find it here, again, you have a limited access because each Salesforce edition, Enterprise, Professional, or Developer comes with a specific features and limitations. But if you feel like you have certain privileges and you can't access the Apex classes and the API, you might want to hover here instead. Go to the Contact Salesforce Customer Support and type in your question here on the help, especially if you encounter any problems along the way. Now, if you find any answers, here's all the documentation, community, and learning. You see there's a lot, so it's up to you for you to check each one of them, especially if you're having problems and how to find your Salesforce edition and API version. Or if you're still having problems, you might want to call this number and tell one of the customer support staff that you are having problems checking your API version in Salesforce Lightning. All right, or click on Get Support. But you just have to log into either of account. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.